Want to publish a Roblox game but not sure how? I'm here to help. In this instructional video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to upload your game on Roblox. I'm going to proceed to create a completely new game to publish on Roblox, but you also have the option to publish an existing game. I'll guide you through the process. Initially, open your Roblox Studio, and I'll swiftly create a base plate by selecting base plate, and it will generate for me. Subsequently, you can choose to launch your new game or an existing one that you wish to publish on Roblox. When your game is open, navigate to the top left corner and click on File. Then access the game settings on the left-hand side. Before proceeding further, it is crucial to save to the Roblox by selecting Save to Roblox if you haven't already done so. Once you've completed this step, the process may vary slightly, but bear with me. You need to provide basic information, and it's essential to note that most of this information can be modified later. You can change the name, description, and other settings. For instance, I'll name this Controller Clinic and provide a brief description such as Hello World. Following that, there are additional settings like the creator, which is me, genre, and device options. Click on Save and you will notice it is now loading. The name has been updated to Controller Clinic. Return to the top left corner, click on File, then select Game Settings, and you will find several more settings available now that we have saved it to the Roblox. It is advisable to start with the basic information. There are numerous customization options for your game when publishing it to the Roblox. For instance, you can add a game icon, screenshots, YouTube videos, select the genre, and playable devices. Moving on to the left-hand panel, all these features can be tailored to your preference. There are various options such as monetization, where you can sell game passes and earn Robux, along with security settings and other useful features. However, these are optional and you can choose according to your preference. The primary step to publish your game on Roblox after naming it is to set permissions. Specify who can access and play your game, and if you want everyone on Roblox to join, ensure that it is set to public, and then save. Your game will be saved as public. Once you have set the game to public, it is not yet published. Proceed to the file in the top left corner, then select Publish to Roblox. Refresh the page and you will see the option to publish new changes to the Controller Clinic. Once published, you can visit the Roblox website, play the game, share the link with your friends, and adjust other settings. Simply go to the Roblox on your web browser, click on Create, and locate your game under My Creations and Experiences. Click on the game you just published and access the game page and play it. And Roblox will launch for you to enjoy the game. Additionally, you can configure the start place and experience by simply clicking on 3 dots, and you can also edit your game. So this was all about it. This is how you can publish a Roblox game. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.